waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. Wide awake, sounds such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe a bitch, universe a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe a bitch, universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me. Wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. Wide awake, sounds such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me.
Okay, Lillian. Perfect. So, Lillian, is there anything else you'd like to ask me? Doubts, any questions before I go?
I want to know how to beat the algorithm and go viral.
If I knew the answer, I don't think I'd be working in this job yet.
Oh my god, okay, yeah, it's fine, okay. Yeah, so I don't have any question. I don't have any question until we meet. Then I'll arrange all my questions and ask you.
Brilliant. Thank you, Lillian. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to meeting you next week. Until then, any issues, any doubts, please let me know, okay?
Okay, alright, thank you.
Perfect. Take care, Lillian. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. Bye, George. Bye.